In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show negative numbers in parentheses in Google Sheets. This is a handy trick to format your spreadsheets in a more visually appealing and traditional accounting style. Whether you're managing your personal budget or handling business accounts, this feature can make your numbers easier to read and understand. Let's start by opening Google Sheets. If you haven't already created or opened a spreadsheet, go ahead and do that now. Once you've got your sheet open, locate the cells that contain the negative numbers you want to format. You can do this by scrolling through your data or using the search function within Google Sheets. Highlight the cells containing the negative numbers. If you want to select multiple cells, click and drag your cursor over them. Alternatively, hold down the Control key on Windows or Command on Mac and click on each individual cell you wish to format. With the cells selected, navigate to the Format menu at the top of your screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the Number submenu. Hover over this option and another panel will extend out to the side. In this panel, you'll see various formatting options. Choose More Formats at the bottom of this list. This will present you with additional style options to customize your number display. Now click on Custom Number Format. This choice brings up a dialog box that allows you to specify exactly how you want your numbers to appear. In the text box within this dialog, you'll enter a format code. The code for showing negative numbers in parentheses is #000 The first part of this format is for positive numbers, and the second part in parentheses is for negative numbers. The semicolon separates these two formats. Once you have entered the code, click Apply. Instantly, you should see the negative numbers in the selected cells appear with parentheses, making the data much clearer at a glance. This formatting not only makes your spreadsheet look professional, but also instantly communicates the nature of the numbers, helping to avoid any potential confusion. If you ever want to revert back to the default formatting or choose a different style, you can simply repeat these steps and select a different format, or use the Clear Formatting option under the Format menu. And that's it. You've successfully formatted your negative numbers with parentheses in Google Sheets. Remember, effective data presentation is key to clarity and comprehension, and this is just one of many ways to enhance your work in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.